Silence, my old friend, I've come to talk with you again, because the visions only prepare. Love, it is what I was prepared, and the vision that was born in my brain still remains within a sound of silence. In restless dreams I walk along narrow streets of Colossal. In the halo of Israel, I turn my collar to the cold and down. When my eyes are stabbed by the flash of a neon light, let's play the night and touch the sound of silence. And in the naked light I saw 10,000 people, maybe more, people talking without listening, people hearing without listening, people writing songs that voices never share. No one dare listen the sound of silence. Fools that I do not know, silence like an answer crawl. Hear my words that I might teach you, take my arms that I might reach you, but my words are silent raindrops fell, and echoed in the words of silence. And the people bowed and prayed to the neon god they made, and the signs conjured each warning in the words that it was for them, and the signs said the words of the prophets are written on the subway walls and tenement halls, and whisper in the sound of silence. Thank you for your silence.